Hey guys, I'm gonna be singing "Rolling in the Deep" by Adele because my boyfriend wanted me to. Well, yeah, kind of. Anyways, okay. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out, and I'll lay your shit bare. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help thinking we could have had it all. Ooh, all rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside of your hands, but you played it to the beat. Baby, I have no story to be told, but I've heard one of you and I'm gonna make your head burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair, making a home down there is mine, you won't be shared. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. Scars of your love, they keep me breathless. I can't help thinking we could have had it all. Ooh, all rolling in the deep. You had my heart inside of your hands, but you played it with the beating. Throw your sorrow through every open door. Count your blessings to find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into treasured gold. You may pay me in the kind and just okay. Yeah, so the last part was written on. Well, actually, it's all written on here, and I kind of messed up right there. You know, whatever. But yeah, that was me singing and being a total derp. So yeah. Alright then. Bye.